Raydium is right now breaking out of this major resistance, but will we see higher prices or do we see a crash to lower levels again? In this video I will talk about Raydium and share my price prediction with the long and short term analysis, and I will share potential price targets and potential buy zones to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Raydium is on place 151 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $550 million. Right now we saw this massive explosion and Raydium increased in price about 34% in one day. And as we go on the weekly chart, you can see after we had this longer consolidation right here, we then started to move to the upside. We then broke this supply zone here to the upside with a weekly body close. And after that we saw this retracement under this supply zone. But in the last 3 weeks we saw this massive increase from Raydium. And as you can see on the daily chart, we are clearly in a bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. And we also broke now this last high to the upside with this daily candle. So Raydium looks very bullish right now, and I think Raydium is a great project with a very nice potential. And if this daily candle closes like this or even higher, then I think the chances high that we could see massive higher prices in the near future. And the next really interesting price target is this high right here. And if we're breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance, then I think the chances high that we will see much higher prices and came near to the last all-time highs. And I also think the chances high that we could see even higher prices than the last all-time high, especially if much money comes into the crypto market and just a small percentage flows into Raydium, the chance that we could see even higher prices than the last all-time high is there. And I also talked about potential price targets in this bull run for Raydium in another video. So on the long term, I'm very bullish on Raydium. So we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Raydium. And as you can see, after we saw this move to the upside, we are right now seeing this retracement. And I think the chances are that we could see even higher prices. And the first really interesting area is this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this move into this new highs. We also made a higher high. So if we come back into this zone, the chance is really high that we could see higher prices and that we continue the bullish trend. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone is in confirmed higher low because we made this high and broke this last highs. So this is in confirmed higher low, and if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish continuation to the upside. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Raydium, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, if we come back into this zone or this zone, I think these are two great technical zones to get into a potential long trade. I'm really bullish on Raydium, especially if we are closing with the daily candle like this or even higher. And as I said, if we find acceptance over this last highs, then I think the next really interesting price target is this high right here. And if we are also breaking this one to the upside, I think the next really interesting price target is the all-time high. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.